Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. If you want to get specific age preferences on your Plenty of Fish dating app, then let me teach you. First of all, open your Firefox web browser or any web browser you like and type in www.pof.com. Now, as you can see, it has taken me to this official website of the Plenty of Fish dating app. Now, click on search that is on this top bar of this web page and scroll down a little bit, and as you can see on the right side of this web page, filter and sort, and on this filter and sort click on age and type in your specific age you want to see on your feed. Now I'm gonna put 20 to 29 and click on go fishing. Now as you can see, you'll get the specific age preferences on your dating app Plenty of Fish. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.